If you do a lot of writing or you're trying to make a lot of content, then obviously AI can really streamline what you do, but it doesn't always streamline where you can do that same work. And you're harnessing the power of AI, but you're also trapped in an office. So this video you can use, and I'll show you how to do this without bringing a keyboard with you. You can just use a tablet and touch and your stylus and get this done and get it done well wherever you want. All right, so I'm going to show you how I do this. First thing, and I'm going to jump right in.
I'm going to be showing my secrets. I'm going to show you some of the best prompts to put together the perfect YouTube video script.
Is I'm using something called YouTube an article summary powered by ChatGPT. So I'm going to put the link to this in the description. It's glasp.co/YouTube-summary. And what this does is this does basically what you can already do in YouTube. In the YouTube Creator Studio, you can get your subtitles and you can copy those subtitles over to ChatGPT and then have that create content for you from already created content that you made on YouTube. This will allow you to do this from anybody's content, which is really cool. And you can turn this into a blog post, make it your own. You're not doing anything except for learning from the internet and then using that to produce your articles. All right, so right here, install on Chrome, install on Safari, doesn't matter. You can just go to the Chrome Web Store. I'm using Edge, and you can install this in Edge, and you can see it right here. This little puzzle piece icon, just right here, YouTube and article summary power. Just make sure that this is visible. If it looks like this, just click it once. All right, let's go back to this video, and this video I'll link to as well, the correct way to write YouTube scripts with ChatGPT. This is a great guide to really writing any type of content. This is for YouTube scripts, but you could use this for blog posts. And I've watched a handful of these, and I like his content. I like his way of doing this best. It's a very concise 10-minute video, and you learn a lot of stuff. So instead of repeating all that there, I'm linking to it here. I'm going to be covering more on how to do this with touch and how to do this in a fast way. I'm compiling a bunch of information, and some of the detail work I'm outsourcing to people who have already done it and done it better. Okay, so what we're doing is we're going to take this. So I have this little icon right here showing up now in my YouTube videos that I'm watching. So this looks like this. All I'm doing is clicking on this little down arrow. This is showing me the entire transcript. If I'm here in the video, we're going over this section, I can click on this icon and it'll jump to that spot in the transcript. Now we're going to go down to the bottom, and I really like this section right here. It goes right here, number 1 through number 4. This is really good content. We can click here.
Number 2, be specific if the answers are lacking content or context. Number 3.
I watch almost everything at 2x speed or in between 1.5 and 2x speed. If it's relatively easy to understand content, that's a little tip. Easy to do. Just click here on the settings icon and change playback speed here to something a little bit quicker if your brain works that way. Okay, so here we have this. What we can do is we can copy this, just plain text, copy it, or we can just click here on View AI Summary. So we're going to take this content that he's created. This is going to automatically summarize this, and if you're just trying to learn from the internet, is this video worth watching? What are the main points of this content that I'm trying to learn from? This is a great way to do it. Here you can see video discussion using ChatGPT to write YouTube video scripts and provide 6 rules for effective script creation. The first mistakes people make is giving the AI the wrong prompts for generating video scripts. The correct prompts involve asking specific questions related to the video topic to get valuable information quickly. And one of the things he was talking about is picking a topic you already know about so that you're not unaware of mistakes that AI might be generating. So this is really good, really important. We are going to basically take what's here. We're going to expand it by adding another prompt. So here we're going to talk to the computer, expand on each of these points into a one paragraph detailed response that's easy to understand and interesting. Now on the screen I'm using Tablet Pro Studio. This right here, this little panel is the assist pad. You can trigger it right here. And I'm using just the default settings inside the app. I'll link to this in the description. So default, this is default preset here. I have Microsoft Edge, msedge.exe, and it does the same thing. Just pulls up this little panel of tools that helps you to use your tablet without a keyboard. So you can sit on the couch, you can sit on a park bench, doesn't matter. Okay, so we have this content here now. Biggest mistakes people often make when using ChatGPT. Great. We've got some good content here. Now you're going to want to read through all of this. But we can just click on this little icon right here to copy. And what I like about this plugin is that you can choose a number of different things. Here, prompt for the summary. When you are in YouTube and you click on this button right here, it will open directly into ChatGPT. Now you need a login for ChatGPT. It will open directly inside of your ChatGPT account, which is great. And then asks the specific question that it has listed right here. Summarize the following in 5 bullet points. So you can customize this however you want to something a little more specific if you would like. I think this is a really good starting point. You can adjust a couple of the different settings here, and you get here to this page by clicking on this icon right here. You can choose the language model. All that is great. Now let's go back over here, and we're going to reference some stuff that is in this video here at the end of the video. So right over here, number 1, it goes through these. Number 4, ask it to reword text to make it more appealing, intriguing, or emotional. And to get some of the secret sauce in your script, prompt it with what's something not many people know about. And I think that's great. Know about X, know about whatever the topic is. What's a common misconception with blank? And so you can use those prompts here inside of ChatGPT. So we're going to grab this. We're going to copy, and let's hop back over here. And we're going to paste. And know about, our topic is using AI to create blog posts. And you can be more specific with it, and I would recommend doing that. So now we have this right here. We're going to click on Read Aloud Selection.
One fascinating aspect of using AI to create blog posts is its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify trends and patterns that may not be immediately apparent to human writers. While humans can conduct research and draw conclusions based on their understanding, AI can process immense volumes of information in a short time, uncovering hidden insights and unique perspectives that might elude human researchers. This enables AI-generated blog posts to offer a level of depth and comprehensiveness that might be challenging for human writers to achieve within a similar timeframe. Additionally, AI can adapt its writing style and tone to suit different audiences, making it a versatile tool for catering to diverse reader preferences. By leveraging the power of AI, content creators can unlock untapped potential and discover fresh angles to enrich their blog posts, providing readers with an enriched and captivating experience.
I think that was a great answer. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy this, and we're going to open up Microsoft Word. This is actually a very important part of what we're doing. We're going to do this the fancy way. So we have voice access turned on now. This is a Windows 11 feature. In order to open this up, you can just go here to start and type in voice access right here and open that up. Or if you have Tablet Pro Studio installed, you can just click on this button. Okay, so sleep mode, we're going to turn this on. Open Word. Paste. New paragraph. Go to Word. Paste. Stop listening. Now, when you're doing this and you're trying to record a video, this is a little bit complicated. So we're going to pause the voice access functionality for this section right here. Okay, so we have here 1 through 5. We have bullet points here at the top. Then we have them expanded out here. So what you would go and do is you would go with your stylus to the Draw tab. And the Draw tab, you have this amazing little tool called the Action Pen. So I'm not going to rationally go through this, but I'm going to show you a couple different tools. So let's say we want here to change this word to something else. Let's scratch that out. We're going to put a little caret. Complexify the response. Okay, let's say that we want this word right here to be capitalized. Let's go ahead. We're going to double click here on the studio icon. Now we're going to press this button right here, change case. In order to make this capitalized, we want to get rid of this word. Instead, we want to write another word. So again, we're going to do that little up arrow. I spelled that wrong. Let's see what it does. Oh, it did great. Easily and quickly and engaging to the viewers. All right, so let's go ahead. We're going to turn this back on and use this too. Comma. And then we can just start dictating different changes that we want in the text by dictating, period, new paragraph, select dictating, 2, talking, end of line, undo that, go to end of line, and we can go back and forth between a number of different things. And if we want to change from dictating and doing commands, then we can simply talk to voice access and tell it to do a different mode. Command mode. So now up here, I'm going to stop adding text to the document. We're just going to be editing. So you can see it says command mode right here. Uppercase that. Lowercase that. Lowercase that. Delete. copy, paste. So you can see how this works. There's a lot that can be done using this combination of tools, and then just going into whatever you're using, WordPress or Wix or whatever for your website, and being able to paste this content in and get very quickly images into your blog post. Now I'm going to show you that last little bit, images into your blog post. Okay, so we're going to jump back to the internet. Hello, internet. And let's say we want this image right here. So I'm going to press this button on the left, screen grab. And we're going to open up the sniping tool. We're going to open up the snipping tool, not killing the website. And we're going to go to settings. We're going to add just one more option here, add border to each screenshot. And you can see we have the option. All right, so we'll pick our color, we'll click OK, and let's go back. All right, now we have this border around the outside. This is going to make it look really nice and professional in our blog post, and then we're going to save this. This is cool, but is not really quite enough for a great blog post. I usually recommend doing some video also. So here we can record, and here we're screenshotting. So we're going to click on New. We're going to record this section of the screen. Click Start. Now this is just going to record what happens right inside of here. So if I use the tool here, the action pen, and am recording in this section, this is going to just capture that. All right, so we have up here at the top the little bar for the snipping tool. Okay, so we have this recorded. You can see it doing its thing right here. We can save this the same way and then put this, upload it into our action pen demo. All right, we'll upload that to our website. We can post it. It's not hosted anywhere else, and this is a very small file, good quality, and will demonstrate what it is you're trying to teach your audience. Now this video here is 23 seconds long, and it's only 1.79 megabytes. That's awesome. Super useful, really functional for a video on a website. You can also upload that video directly to YouTube and then embed it on your website also. But this is a really good way to demonstrate small features and different things. All right, you guys, if you find content like how to make the most of your tablet in all sorts of different situations, how to make your desktop applications touch friendly, touch usable, pen and touch usable, then this is a great channel for you. Please subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay creative and have a wonderful day.